What's up, my people? You pulled up hungry, and I kept it warm for you. I hope you wore something stretchy. Tonight is quesadilla night. So here's what I've been thinking while this chicken cooks. Why do we celebrate our loved ones passing the way that we do? I mean, we sit around, we drink, listen to music, catch up with family and friends we ain't seen in forever. And don't get me wrong, I mean, it's fun. But what is it really doing for us? Or for the little ones and their people they left behind? You know what's wild? We'll spend hours prepping food and ourselves for this gathering, but sometimes we don't spend 5 minutes thinking about what comes next. Imagine if every shot we took was matched with one step on a business plan, or just something productive with ourselves. We'll all be CEOs by Sunday. For real, can we have a drink to that? A toast to actually getting things done? Now it's time to layer up and stack this quesadilla. Tortilla, cheese, chicken, peppers. Yeah, stack it. Because here's the truth. When we only celebrate by sitting still, it looks good in the moment, but it leaves us empty later. Just like a quesadilla with no filling. It's flat, forgettable. That can't be the legacy they wanted us to carry, you know? Flip that quesadilla, let it brown on the other side. See? I said it once and I'll say it again. That's balance. Have your laughs, have your music, but also do something that lasts. Write that plan. Check on their kids. Start the thing they always talked about. That's how we celebrate, with action, not just a playlist. And I promise that flavor hits way harder than just sitting around. And here it is. Golden chicken quesadillas. It's simple, easy, crispy, but built with so much purpose. So I want to hear your thoughts. When you celebrate your people, do you think about building something for them? Or do you feel like the good vibes are just enough? Let's talk about it. Thank you for being a part of this. And next time, bring somebody with you. Oh yeah, and before I let you go, peep this steak I got marinating for tomorrow's video. Yeah. It's soaking up all that flavor right now. If you thought these quesadillas was good, wait till you see what I do with this. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. One more video won't hurt. But if your jeans pop, that ain't on me.